Hello everyone, welcome to Li's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Chinese style cucumber salad. Even we don't have the chef skill, we still can cut it like restaurant made. Those are the all ingredients we need today. 1 straight long cucumber, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. The sugar and vinegar ratio is 1:1, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 red pepper. Let's get started. The trick is chopsticks. Put 2 chopsticks on each side of the cucumber. First, cut the end. I'm going just to peel a little bit of the skin off of the cucumber just as a marker. 180 degree and peel the other side. The trick is use the chopsticks so you won't cut all the way to the end. First, go straight and cut even. And at the end, don't cut too deep to the end, about 50%. Now this side is done. I'm going to turn to the other side, 180 degree. Now on this side, we cut at a 45 degree angle. Okay, it's all done. See, it cut into such a big, long one piece. Now I'm going to put in on the plate and put some salt. Let it soak for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to make the sauce. Put the garlic into the garlic presser. And cut the pepper into small pieces. We're going to make the sauce. Turn on the heat and put 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and put the garlic and the pepper into the oil. Once you smell the garlic aroma, put all the sauces in. Vinegar, soy sauce, and sugar. Just give a gentle stir. Once you see the bubble, turn off the heat and let it cool down. If you like spicy, you can put some chili oil, make it even spicier. After 15 minutes, the cucumber become more softer and longer, but still intact, one piece. You can squish more, let the juice come out. Now I'm going to put in another clean plate. Now I'm going to pour the sauce on top of the cucumber. Okay. It's better to wait for 1 or 2 hours before to eat it. Just let the sauce soak into the cucumber. It's just easy like this.